Now I'm creating a new small e-commerce project developing with purely SQL queries only, using store procedures, SQL queries, figures, etc. And this is the first lesson of this e-commerce project developing. Now I'm creating in this tutorial one-to-one relationship involving 3 tables in SQL Server. If you notice, this is a customer table which contains some data information. This is a normal customer table I'm creating which contains 4 columns. Let's execute. Commands completed successfully. Now I'm creating a second table which refers to the customer table with one-to-one relationship. Let's copy this one order info table. Just for the time saving, I'm creating. To make this order info, which is a child table, to a parent table reference, first we need to add one customer ID, which is a reference ID of the customer. Notice that this is a customer ID, and here also I have added customer ID. Then only we have to link. When you want to make the parent and child relationship, at least one column must be similar. See, customer ID. I'm making the foreign key to this primary key reference. To make this one-to-one many, make this unique. Then only it will happen one-to-one relationship. Unique is must to the customer ID, which is the reference key of the parent table. Now foreign key, we require the customer ID. This customer ID, references. Now we are references. I'm referring to the parent table, which is a customer table, and the customer ID. That's it. Now let's execute the statement. Execute. See, commands completed successfully. Now we have 2 tables, customer table and order info table, with one-to-one relationship with a foreign key. Now I am adding one more table with one-to-one relationship. Just for the time saving, I have created this one. Notice that this is a shipping info table. It's a normal table. Now we'll make this shipping info table to the foreign key reference key, one-to-one relationship. This shipping info, I'm referring to the order info. So this is a child table to this parent table, and this is a child table to this parent table. It's linking. Make unique to make one-to-one relationship. Now foreign key. Now we require the order ID. Notice order ID is also available in the order info. Then only we can make relationship. References, table name, order info, and the column name, field name, order ID. That's it. Let's execute the shipping info table also. Commands completed successfully. Now we have created 3 tables, shipping info, order info, and customer table. In this e-commerce table, let's refresh the table, and here we got the customer, order info, and shipping info. In my coming next videos, I will show you how to develop this project using SQL queries, store procedures, and figures only. And please kindly, if you like my videos, please subscribe, support my channel, subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment.